Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to force restart your device. So if you're in the very uncomfortable situation when your device do not respond to your touches, when the screen simply froze and you don't know what to do, you can try to soft reset it. And to do that, you have to press two different buttons simultaneously. So the power button, which is right here, and the volume down button together, and wait. So let me do it. Let's try to force restart our device. Just press both of those buttons and just ignore those buttons here because we are pretending that we cannot tap on anything. And as you can see, the black screen simply appears, which is a very good sign because it means that your device started to the soft reset operation. So right now you can either be patient, and your device, as you can see, will show you the logo of the Samsung, and from now on the device will be restarted. If there will be a situation that the black screen will be still visible, then no worries, just try to turn it on with the power button like usual. So basically that's all. This is how to force restart your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.